So let's do a fitness competition makeup look. I'm going to turn what I have on into that. I'm going to begin with creating a cut crease. I'm going to take a pencil brush, and if you'll remember, my cut creases move a little bit, and they smear because of my deep set eyes. I'm taking a color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking, the color is Soda Pop, and I'm taking a Delium pencil brush, and I'm going to draw that cut crease like that. So it's kind of like a double wing, I guess. It's gonna be. And I'm just using a clean Q-tip to clean up my cut crease. All right, and then I'm gonna take the Stila. It is the, I don't know what the product's called, liquid eyeshadow, and the shade Mystere liquid eyeshadow, and this one is Psychic. I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to take a flat brush, place that the way I want it. Super shiny, right? And then this layer I'm not going to rub in. I'm just gonna pat it a little bit. All right, and now I'm gonna add some purple to this. It adds a really cool look if your cut crease is the color of your swimsuit. So we're going to assume that this fitness competitor is going to wear a purple swimsuit. All right, now for the winged liner. I'm going to go extend the wing. And connect it to the bottom. Drag that up like that. I'm going to get another flattish brush and add a highlight to the brow bone. And I'm adding this soda and the purple. The purple is called Royalty. And then we need to add lashes. For this look, it's stage makeup. You're going to want a more extreme lash. So I'm using these Allure Exaggerate First I'm going to measure it. I have really little eyes, so I'm going to have to cut off a good bit. I cut this much off. I'm going to try the Allure glue that came with it. I'm going to let it set up a little bit so I don't make a big mess. And I'm going to trim the other lash and put glue on it. I'm going to take the one that's been sitting here and go ahead and place it. Now let's do the other one. And I'm letting this is probably nothing new, but just in case you don't know, I'm letting the outside, this end, just lay down where it wants to. My eyes are really round, and if you have a difficult pair of lashes to work with, don't use a curling mascara. I used the Pat McGrath Black Star, and it does do what it says it does. It does curl your lashes, or keeps them curled. And it's hard to get lashes behind curled lashes. The most difficult lash application I've ever done is I had a African American girl, and she had super curly lashes, and it was so difficult to get those lashes behind those curly lashes. That's still setting up, but that looks good so far. You may need to go a little bolder with the brows, since the whole eye look is a little bolder. So I'm going to go a little bolder with my eyebrows. And keep the brows combed up off the look. So I'm going to take the pencil brush with the purple on it and get this a little more under here. Tear Duct currently has the pink glitter pencil from Sephora. And a melon color shadow over the top. When you're in a fitness competition, you have a super dark tan. I'm going to use a super dark foundation, or one that's darker than what I normally wear. I'm going to take a brush that I don't mind staining. And I'm going to start in where I would contour. Like this. Or if the competitor wants, I can use airbrush. However, I use foundation and primers that are long wear, that you would not have to worry about coming off before. And it's a very long day. It's like 12 hours. We'll start up here where I want it the darkest, and then fade it down. So I have the foundation on, and it's very contrasty, but it's supposed to be. And this is my bronzer brush. I'm more or less using the bronzer to set. I'm going to use, this blush is from Lawless, to give a nice pop of color. I'm going to use this White Goddess is very glowy, so I'm going to use it to highlight because it really pops. And use it up here as the highlight, extend that highlight out. Like that. I'm going to use mineral powder to set it all really good. It's from MAC. I'm going to go back with the liquid eyeshadow from Stila. Now, the lipstick that I'm going to use is a liquid lip from Donaire, and this will last all day. And then I'm going to use the Pat McGrath, the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And this stuff means business. This will not come off. This makeup will be non-transferable, transfer resistant. Where else can you get this kind of valuable information on YouTube? Except for my channel. Touch up those brows a little bit more. And I'm going to take some, you can feel that Charlotte Tilbury spray setting up. And you can tell when it's setting up that your makeup's not going to budge. You have to be serious about it though. If you're not serious about your makeup not budging, I wouldn't use it. There's a fitness competition makeup look that will last until you take it off. I'm going to do a series of these this week. For those of you who are not going to be doing a fitness competition, you'll enjoy the different looks anyway. They should be entertaining. Also, get your teeth whitening kit if you're going to be in a fitness competition, because you want your teeth to be pearly white on the stage. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow night for another exciting fitness competition look. Take care. Ta-ta.